grade 9 and I'm from Mori Academy English Medium School, Rani. So today I have made one poster which basically is dedicated to the freedom fighters of the India, the people who contributed their life for our nation to make us free from the British Raj. Here you can see many of the people who sacrificed in our freedom revolution, and I would say they are the real heroes of India. Nowadays, people are more attracted towards the Bollywood industry, but the point of view I'm having about this is these people who sacrifice their life for our nation are the best and are the real heroes of India. So here you can see first the great legend is Subhash Chandra Bose. He was the head of Jai Hind Sena and he contributed a lot in during all the freedom movement. And the most common quote he had was, तुम मुझे खून दो मैं तुम्हें आज़ादी दूंगा. Then not only men in entire I guess the society of India, our Indian women, our Indian ladies are also too great that they have not even considered risking their life for the freedom of our nation. You can just recognize by the image only the Rani Lakshmi Bai, the Queen of Jhansi. She was such a great lady that she fought with her baby on her back. Even Britishers used to fear when she came on the battlefield. Next is Bhagat Singh. At very young age, he got hanged due to he was convicted as to murder a British officer. Next is Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad got his name as he preferred to die instead of giving up in front of Britishers. He shoot himself in a garden, and that is what I feel is great about him. The person here you can see is Abdul Kalam Azad. In India, National Education Day is celebrated on his birthday. The last one, the great leader, Lokmanya Tilak, also known as Bal Gangadhar Tilak, was the founder of Ganesh Chaturthi, which is a very common festival in Maharashtra and especially in Mumbai. He even started the newspaper Kesari to protest against the British officers. So all that can I say is I'm really proud of all the freedom fighters of my country, and I feel very proud to take birth in the nation like India, where these all people think about their nation before than their life and their family, than their personal whatever the thing is. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.